Speak Thai Possible is here with you. Today I'm going to share you a tip how to expand Thai vocabulary fast, and I challenge you to remember 40 words by the end of this video. Yes, it's possible. Have you ever noticed that English is used a lot in Thai? Check this out and tell me how many English words you hear. ฮัลโหลเจนจี้ว่าไงปาร์ตี้เมื่อคืนเป็นไงบ้างเมื่อวานทำงานที่ออฟฟิศจนดึกเลยพรุ่งนี้ที่สยามพารากอนเขามีโปรโมชั่นไปช้อปปิ้งด้วยกันไหมฉันมีคูปองส่วนลด 30% ในโบรชัวร์เขาบอกว่าถ้าจ่ายด้วยเครดิตการ์ดแถมฟรีลิปสติกโอ้ยฉันอยากได้ไปด้วยกันนะโอเคบ๊ายบาย Due to the fact that Thai borrow a lot of English words and they are commonly used in daily life by Thai people, even someone who barely speaks English. So, why not expanding your Thai vocabulary by learning those words to save your learning time? Keep in mind that if you want to be understood easily when saying English words, you have to add our charming Thai accent by following these easy tips. 1. Forget about word stress and give equal weight to every syllable. For example, spaghetti, helicopter, passport, visa, vanilla, chocolate, shopping, promotion, coupon, internet, condominium, and my favorite word, hippopotamus. 2. Soften the final consonant or just don't care so much about it. Let me show you how and copy me. Apartment, sandwich, credit card, guide, sheet, office, step, Scotch tape, percent, เหลา 3. Strongly emphasize sound at the end of the word. If you're good at tone, try to make it falling tone. For example, guitar, pizza, strawberry, battery, party, sticker, hamburger, counter, taxi. 4. Pronounce R like kind of a Spanish R. Something like that. When it is an initial consonant, for example, rugby, romantic, rock, free. However, do not surprise if you hear Thai people pronounce R like L sound. That is not correct, but it's common and understandable. But when R functions as final consonant, just drop it. Do not roll your tongue in that case. The point is we don't have R sound in Thai, so we ignore it, just like that. For example, beer, bar, shirt, sure, brochure. So, how was it? You just learned about 40 words. Isn't it cool? You may also use these pronunciation tips when you face communication problems either in English or in Thai. That will definitely help you to be understood easier in Thailand. That's all for now. Good luck and บ๊ายบายค่ะ Oh, ice cream looks so good. Can I have one vanilla, one chocolate, and one strawberry? Huh? What, madam? I mean vanilla 1, chocolate 1, and strawberry 1. Okay? อ๋อ วานิลา ช็อกโกแลต สตรอเบอรี่ Good choice, madam. You speak Thai so good นะคะ จริง